Like tilt.
Hey everybody, this is Tyler and this is my little nephew Darion and our dog Nala. So today we've just found a little baby bird, a baby robin, just to be precise.
Yeah, and the robin grown up stage, they just keep coming whenever we take the bird. They just keep starting to come.
Yeah, so I'm trying to rescue the bird, but every time I try and get it, it made a noise, and the bird
grown-ups just start coming. Like whenever the bird makes a noise, the grown-ups just like start running and trying to get the bird.
Yeah, so we're gonna try this, and leave a like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Go for how much likes should we go for? Like 50 or 5?
Like as many likes as y'all like.
Yeah.
So here we are. So make sure you subscribe, and I'll make a link to my YouTube channel.
And I'm new to this channel. He's my uncle, and we just found a baby bird, then we just started to record.
Yeah, so here we are. I'm about to get a baby bird, so I'm gonna get.
Well, we're gonna try to get a baby bird. Okay, there's the baby bird on the napkin.
Yeah, the grown-ups are like literally watching us.
Exactly. So he told me to stay back here, so I'm really gonna do it.
Yeah, these birds are really aggressive. They're robins.
Exactly.
Yeah, robins are like these blackish birds with orange bellies, and you see them all the time. And that's what the baby bird is. So my attempt is to just try and rescue the bird. What I did, I just put a soft cloth-like material over the baby bird, so I don't want to get my hands dirty. So
Also, he won't get no rabies.
Well, birds don't really have rabies, but
Yeah,
still. So make sure you leave a like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And
his YouTube channel is Tyler Lewis, and I made a video. It's called I forgot it, but it's called it's about a dancing video. Dila Yachi, yeah. And then I was dancing to the song called I Spy.
all right, so here we are. I'm about to grab the bird.
That was when I was 7 years old. So
All right, my nephew's gonna try and record this. All right, go like that. All right, y'all. Come on closer. All right, y'all. I'm gonna grab the bird really quickly and try and run off. It's right there. See it right there. You see that? That cloth right there?
see it, guys? Yeah, they see it.
It's right
There.
All right, let me zoom in. Look, cloth is right there.
It's a baby bird inside the cloth. Oh, and there's some people.
Watch out.
All right.
There's a baby bird right here. So, and I don't want it to get run over. I'm sorry.
Oh, no problem. Let's go park over there.
Okay. Yeah, a little disrupting. So, here we are. I got Nala right here. I'm trying to keep her away, because dogs are known to like kill other animals. But
Yeah, especially the pit bulls.
yeah. So my nephew's gonna hold Nala while I get the bird. He's right
In
there.
the camera, which is very hard. But oh, guys, that bird do not look nice. See, oh my gosh.
Yeah. So I'm gonna try and grab it. Okay.
Okay.
All right, here we go. Hold this.
Gotta hold her leash. I swear, if the bird comes, I'm really about to let go of her leash.
Don't let go of the leash.
All right. See, he's right there. Let me scoop.
Usually when I do this, I have special gloves. Yeah, I'm sorry. Usually when I do this, I have special gloves, but here I just put a piece of cloth over it, so it'll be okay, and I don't have to worry about getting attacked. So here's the thing. I'm gonna grab the bird really quick, but I'll make sure I grab it. And for those that are watching this, I'm Tyler Lewis, and I am currently graduating next Tuesday around 12 o'clock at the Infinite Energy Arena down in Forsyth County. So it's gonna be a big event, and I'm really excited. So I'm officially done with school, and I used to go to Lambert High School. So for those that y'all looking at me and watching me, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. And there we go. All right, gotta grab the bird.
Yeah, we gotta scoot back.
All right, now it's looking at me.
Hold up. Oh crap! I can't get the camera right. Oh, there it go.
Can't get the camera right.
There it go. I got it.
Is the bird alive?
Yeah, it's still alive. It's right there. I just need a
What's wrong with it?
Stop,
It's a
Nala.
baby bird. It can't fly yet. It's on it, but be careful. It might scream.
And the bird and
might
it.
come and get us. And I'm making a YouTube video. So
He said the birds might come when the baby bird screams. Bird will come.
yeah, cause last time I tried to grab it, it made a big noise. Yeah, it made a big noise, and yeah, that was someone on Snapchat. So it made a big noise, and once the grown-up birds heard it, they started to try to attack me. So I'm gonna be really quick. I'm brave enough. Okay. He's just opened his mouth.
He about to scream.
He's not about to
He getting ready to scream.
Oh no, it's not about to scream. I swear, if it screams, then there's gonna be a problem.
Yeah,
Come close, come up closer.
I'm just zoom in, bro. I'm just zoom in, cause. All right.
And I'm like, hang on.
No.
All right, follow me. Point the camera at me. All right. See right there? It's right there.
Hold up.
Look, right there. See that cloth?
Hold
Right
up.
there.
Hold up.
Look.
Oh wow. I gotta hold Nala in. Can you hold Nala in?
I don't think
I can't hold Nala in. All right, hold the camera tight.
All right, see it? It's right there. Right there. So my attempt is trying to grab it. So I'm gonna be careful, okay? I'm gonna walk with it gently. So hold this.
At this angle?
Yeah, hold it at that angle. Okay?
All right.
And come closer.
Right here.
Huh?
No, we decided to do a YouTube video now. Tyler, no.
It's okay.
I swear the camera gonna go weird. Mm-mm. 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 Mm-mm.
I don't want it to scream. Oh, they're coming in.
You for real?
They're coming in from all directions. Hey, where's the camera?
It's right here.
Like, they're coming in from all directions, so I'm gonna need all the help I can get. I don't want to leave it here. Like, I don't want it to get hurt because, you know, there are cats everywhere and they might get it. I did my best. I tried to grab. The parents are like watching me. So for those of y'all watching, like, the parents are right up the tree, right up there. They're right up in that tree. See? And I'm a little nervous. So, but I'm brave. I'm a football player. I'm not scared.
Boy, but when they truck you, you better be scared.
I'm gonna run as fast as I can.
All right. Tyler, they watching you, bro.
Okay. Do you have any special gloves of some sort? Gloves. Dang it.
I wish that lady was still here because she said she have gloves.
If she was still here, I would get some gloves easily.
Yeah. Should we go back to the house and then get some gloves and stuff?
I think that's gonna have to wait. But
Let me.
yeah, that would work.
Okay, so this is going weird. Everybody's out here.
Hey, put the camera. Camera.
Hold up. Oh.
Instead of gloves, someone gave me a grocery bag. I'm not sure, but I hope it'll work. I'm making this is my YouTube video.
Okay.
I'm a YouTuber. Yeah, so
He makes YouTube videos about
in
gaming.
case y'all know, I'm a YouTuber. I'm sorry. I'm a YouTuber.
What's your name? Subscribe.
My name is Tyler Lewis. You should see a link that has Devontae Freeman on it, because I'm a huge Falcons fan. So, in case that doesn't work, you should like type in one of my videos. And it should like load up.
Is it called Tyler Lewis channel or something?
Yeah, that's what it's called.
Yeah. Alright, so I'm gonna stay back here, but I don't know if I'm gonna record him when he get the bird. So we gotta stay back away and yeah. Nala, don't eat that.
Hey, bring the camera.
It hates me. That bird hates me because whenever I get close to it, it's gonna start screaming.
Then why not? Then just point the camera towards me when I get it, and don't let Nala get too close.
Nala, you better get back. All right, so I'm gonna record him when he get the bird. Yeah. Oh God. You got it?
Yeah, I got it.
Don't let it scream. He said he gonna try to bring it to the tree. But it's gonna start screaming.
Hey, give me the camera. Give me the camera.
Probably suffocate.
Yeah, probably.
All right, we should bring it somewhere safe. Like, all right, follow the camera towards me. Follow the camera. All right. In case y'all know, I'm about to put it somewhere safe. So I'm gonna try. Huh? No. I got it. Don't worry, he's got it.
Oh gosh. Okay, now they are.
Where's the best
Come
place
on
to
now.
put him? Oh crap!
What?
There are robins over here too.
I'm about to go home.
Come on.
There are robins everywhere, Tyler.
I know, but I need to put him somewhere safe.
So walk up the street.
We have worms. We can give the bird worms.
I'm a bad camera person. But last time we got a baby bird,
Like, look at me. Point the camera.
it was
y'all.
bad. Oh God, bro, it's gonna start screaming. Stop, bro. Don't show it to the camera yet. Oh, there goes some robins, bro.
Don't worry. Don't worry, they won't know.
Bro, there's robins up.
I know where to put it.
Bro, where are we going?
Bring it to me.
People already complaining. I don't know why.
There's wasps over here.
Crap.
That won't work.
Oh, dang.
There are wasps over here.
I'm not getting close to that bird. So, yeah, this video is like the best video we ever did, and he played gamings like Far Cry Primal and everything. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm a big I play Far Cry Primal a lot, and I play Madden Mobile like a lot.
But he did a video of him playing it. But he sounds drowsy and sad. But today he not drowsy and sad. He happy, he hyped up, he ready. Come on, girl. Okay, so we don't know where we're gonna put it, but it's robins all over the place. These are like the only birds around here. But I don't know if they gonna find him then start trying to peck us. But no, I don't think that's gonna happen. Even though if he screamed, they still gonna try to find us. Come on, Olive. Come on, girl. Oh no, Tyler right there. I should have brought my scooter. It's fast. It's an electric scooter. Yeah, if he made noise, the bird would have probably started screaming. We need to bring Nala back inside. Look at
I
him.
think we should make our own nest.
Oh yeah, you're
We can
right.
make our own nest out of like stuff like this.
Okay, we're getting back, bro. I just got a haircut.
Alright.
I like it, but don't like it at the same exact time. I'm coming, bro. I'm coming. Oh, I thought it was some stuff. No, look. No, over here.
Alright, y'all, so I'm gonna make a nest, and right now the bird is calming down. So once he saw me like saw me like he's calming down. So let's go. Like, keep the camera towards me.
Oh, look. Come on, girl.
Forgive Nala, she's like sniffing all over the place.
Yeah.
So we're going up to our tree. This is the tree we always climb up in. Now
Oh, yeah.
put the nest, make a nest right there.
And then so we could have the bird to ourselves and we could wait till it get grown. That'll work. But here's the tree. We always used to climb this tree. Like when Tyler was a teenager, we used to always climb this tree. When he was about 16, right, Tyler?
Yeah, I was like 16.
Yeah, you was 16. We used to always climb this tree. God. Oh my God. So I'm getting away.
It's starting to wake up.
You for real?
Yeah, it's starting to wake up.
Okay. It's starting to wake up. It's starting to wake up, guys. And we're I'm very scared, bro. No, bro. Don't put that. Don't put that stuff close to me. Because that bird bite me. It's over, bro.
Hey, grab some
Oh, Nala just let it rip. She just farted.
Alright, just talk to the camera. See.
Alright, so remember, as many likes as you want, but please subscribe. I'm telling you, please subscribe. Please, very much subscribe. And yeah, this is Orchard Park. And it's beautiful outside today. Yeah. Okay, so they complaining. I don't know why, but oh my God, he gets that stuff away. But yeah. So we're gonna do this in it's summer break, but I don't like it because damn party time. But yeah, I don't like it because I gotta go to summer school and Tyler is graduating, so that's lit. Yeah, I hope y'all come to his graduation party. Yeah, all over the pier. But oh, he's putting it in a safe place, putting it in a tree with a bag over it. That's just dumb, right, guys? I think the bird's gonna come again. But when we get in the house, make sure you leave a like. Turn on post notifications. Is it called post notifications?
Post notifications?
Yeah.
Notifications?
Yeah.
Hey, I got the bird in the tree.
You did?
Yeah.
Yes, good job, bro.
Alright.
Alright, guys. So should we close off this video?
No, not yet.
Yeah, not yet.
Alright, right now, I got the bird in the tree. Alright, y'all want to see it? Alright. So for y'all, I was really that desperate to look for him, but I was that desperate to pick him up and bring him in a safe place. So here's the bird now. Right here, safe in this tree. Yeah, you're right there. Safe little bird. He's cute, huh? Yeah. So in case y'all wondering, that's a robin and that's a baby. Usually the baby birds like this age, they start, their feathers start to grow and they start to learn how to fly and get out the tree. But that's only when they get turn a few months old. So but I'm not gonna, but this is at about the end of the video, but I'm not gonna close it yet. I just need to we're gonna find some nice worms of some sort that birds, because most robins like worms, so.
Yeah, but guys, one time we fed a moth to a freaking ant pile and they ate it in one whole day.
Yeah, those were fire ants,
They literally tear the moth up.
Yeah.
And when he wasn't here, it was this fat dude. When Tyler wasn't here, it was this big fat dude. Then we fed worms to ants. Then they ate it.
But yeah. So I'm about to dig for worms, cause worms like soft, moist soil.
Yeah, but I don't think we're gonna find any worms today, cause robins, they
Alright, I'm about to dig.
Lewis, I mean Tyler. If you're a fan of Tyler Lewis, he need more subscribers. I don't know how much subscribers he got. How much subscribers he got?
I only got like a few. Like
Look how much.
I need subscribers. I only got like 2 so far.
Yeah.
I'm a YouTuber, so
He just started, so you can't blame him for that.
yeah, it's my first video, so I'm a
This is not his first video. Was your first video about Madden?
yeah, my first videos, like you said, I posted those are Madden mobile videos.
Should we take Mama aside?
Not yet.
I'm not taking her aside, alright?
All right.
Yeah, I'm not.
All right, so my nephew about to put him not my dog inside. So, all right, tune in. I'll make sure you leave a like and make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'm gonna see y'all later.